हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल श्रेयांश रघुवंशी लर्न। तो आज I am going to share my experience at International Modern United Nations Conference IMUN, where your voice matters, is the motto of the International Modern United Nations. So, what is Model United Nations? What is International Model United Nation? What is the conference? Why it is held? What are the objectives? What are the perspectives? Everything. So, today I'm going to tell you everything about IMUN, International Model United Nations. Okay, that why IMUN Health Conference. Okay, what is the internship program? What is the campus ambassadors of IMUN? Everything in this video. So, okay, if you like, please share this video, comment, and subscribe my channel. So, what is International Model United Nations? So, it is means it's association of you can say aggregate of United Nations organizations which brings youth together from all around the world to learn and share the ideas from diverse set of experiences and backgrounds. Okay, so basically इसका मोटो क्या होता है? यूनाइटेड नेशंस की यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की बहुत सारी कमिटीज होती हैं. WHO, you know about this, UNICEF, DISEC, many. So ये ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे इंडिविजुअल्स मींस एज ग्रुप मींस above 18 or that means you can say 16, 17 above you, youth, basically youth, okay, youngsters who are invited to share their views over a given topic and the committee they want to represent. Okay, so basically it was all means before this pandemic it always held means offline. Okay, you have to reach the center where they used to give. Okay, youth organization in it's in Noida. Okay, in Noida, and you were offered to stay there, you're also paid, and you have to share your views. Okay, and every from every schools and colleges means students used to go. Okay, so you can see in the picture it is an offline conference which held at IMUN, International Model United Nations, and you can see the means every from all over the world people are there, not only Indians, not anything, everyone is there. Participants from Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, everywhere, all over the world. Okay, but during this pandemic it has also started taking conferences online, and it's had already completed 70 conferences online, 70 online conferences. Okay, and it always held at the weekend, means Saturday to Sunday, 2 days conference it is. So basically ये बहुत ही अच्छा चांस है मीन्स ग्रैब करने के लिए, क्योंकि जब स्कूल से ऑथराइज होता है जाने के लिए तो टीचर्स ऑलवेज सेलेक्ट द बेस्ट वन. Okay, and you are not able to get the chance to speak, to enhance yourself, to communicate various people of the all over the world, because every school looks after its reputation. Okay, reputation, so means selected students only go, but this time it has created online conferences, so it's a nice chance to grab and to take or to participate in the International Model United Nations conference. So you can easily participate, and I will tell you the criteria of participation. Okay, so basically it is that only, and it's ideas from diverse set of experiences and backgrounds. Okay, where the executive boards, international press, international delegates consolidate to learn about diplomacy, international relations. Okay, international relation and the United programs. So basically, International Modern United Nation is that about. Okay, and its motto is where your voice matters. I will show you one of them. Where, let me write not with the stylish. Where your voice matters. Okay, and every weekend new topics or such topics which are not discussed. Okay, so topics are also very interesting. Okay, very interesting topics they offer you. So, what is international conference? Okay, why this conference is it? It's also that you can say the rigor or the knowledge testing and analysis of real world of IMUN, International Model United Nations. Okay, every week participants get to interact with the people from all over the world. Okay, brush up on their research and interpersonal skills and solve global challenges. बेसिकली ऐसा टॉपिक होता है कि जो अभी ग्लोबली मीन्स मीन्स यू कैन से ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड कॉमन चैलेंज जिसको फेस कर रहे हैं सब लोग एंड व्हाट आर योर व्यूज what are your thoughts that how you will be able to control these challenges, how you will able to solve the challenges. Okay, कि क्या है ये कैसे करना है मीन्स what are your views on this. ठीक है, जैसे recent topics I will tell you what the means next is going to happen on this weekend 21 and 22nd of August online conference, and topic is very nice, means excellent topic. Okay, and you must be aware of the topic, it is going nowadays. So topic also is selected very nicely and the students get tempted towards it. Okay, so you are means fascinated with. So it's just to interact with the delegates, to learn about diplomacy skills and etc. Leadership skills also, to develop your leadership skill, to get your enhance your vocab, in fact your speaking and listening skills, because the people from all over the world are present in the conference, and they have different accents. Okay, their English is in different way and different accent. So you can also use to enhance, you can listen them that what accent, and you can try to copy and can try to improve your accent vocab, in fact, and you can develop a leadership skill also. Okay, you can learn many things. Okay, and it helps to improve the English skills also and meet very nice people. Okay, it's not like that the people are very harsh in the meeting, but they're very nice, frank and friendly both. Okay, so they are very nice. You can easily participate and it is a nice platform to enhance your oneself. So means United Nations does not register or certify Model United clubs, but its conferences operate independently from United Nations. The United Nations does not recognize or certify the NGOs. Okay, so let's learn about how to participate, how to participate in the United Nations. So you can go on their original site. Let me write. What is the site? Wait, I'm not able to see. Okay. www www dot international inter I will give you the site in the description box also. International moon. Okay, dot org. You can go on their site, in fact, and you can get yourself registered for the online conference. And okay, see, in just 9 USD means the registration fees is 9 USD means 700 INR in the Indian rupees. Okay, Indian rupees. So it is 700 Indian rupees means 700 रुपए में you have to register, you have to pay for getting yourself enrolled in the conference. Okay, it's 2 days conference, a 2 days conference, and it's very interesting. It's I think almost of 7 hours. Okay, it starts from 12:30 and it lasts till 7 p.m. Okay, from 12:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. And it's absolutely nice also. You don't get bored because you listen different ideas on the same topic. Okay, and there are many things that moderate cackers, unmoderate cackers, draft resolutions, position paper submission. Okay, study guides, you get everything. So at the first day of your conference, for 20 minutes, you will get moon training. Okay, you will get the moon training. The experts will train you on the via Zoom. It held via Zoom only. So you will get the training. You will get the training as that how you have what you have to do in moderate caucus and moderate caucus, draft resolutions, what is position paper. You will get to know everything. And in fact, the group created, the group you are joined of your means your committee only. Okay, suppose let me first proceed with it, and I will tell you. Get IMUN certificate, and the certificate you get for participation, and if recognized certificate you have were a nice verbal accommodation, then you get a certificate for verbal accommodation. And you get a certificate for outstanding, being outstanding delegate also. Means there are on the various platform various certificates, but certificate of appreciation and participation everyone gets. So position paper submission. Okay, you have to create a position paper about the topic, and means about your committee related to your country. Okay, allocated country. So you have to create a position paper and you have to submit. It means it is optional. It's recommended, but it's optional. You can submit and you cannot submit, but the best position paper gets a special recognition. Okay, so you means it will be nice if you submit. IMU and study guides. Okay, after being enrolled, after paying, you get an email. Means hardly, I think, after 5 to 7 hours, you get the study guides, or even one day also, 24 hours. Within 24 hours, you will get the study materials, training materials, and means uh, flag. I'm saying Zoom background. Okay, the country you are allocated, you will put the background of that country. I will show you. I will show you that also. I have also done two conferences. Okay. So in the study guides, you will get the topics which are provided by each committee and their solution also, and some question also which you must have to be ready with the questions to answer the delegates. And means it is a highly valuable thing. Okay, you need to research. Okay, you can enhance the research skills also. Networking with people. See, you get to join to the WhatsApp group, and on the WhatsApp group you can also chat the means chat the delegates personally. Okay, and there is expert sessions with question answers. Okay, last, after that you have a closing ceremony too. So means this time the you can see conference is going to held the 71 conference, and on August 21st to 22nd, UN Women, WHO, UNICEF, and UNICEF, UNESCO, many more committees are there. And see this, for this the topic is Taliban. Extremely nice topic, extremely nice topic, extremely nice topic. So you get inclusions. What are there? You get the participant certificates, committee sessions, all about, I think, 10 committee sessions are held within 2 days. Opening and closing ceremony, IMU and study materials, IMU and training 101, position paper submission, awards to the winners, expert sessions with the question answer. Okay, and see the original site, it is here. I think it's not able to see. See, it's at the down www.internationalmoon.org. So let's see. See, if you get a certificate of recognition for IMUN membership, also certificate of achievement. Okay, Mohinish Bharadwaj, Executive Chairman of International Model United Nations. Become an IMUN member and get rewarded with UN recognized platinum certificate. Okay, so various platforms are there. If you participate actively and you get enroll yourself in the IMN, you are going to do great. And the certificates provided by International Model United Nations are very useful, and they are also helpful in taking for seeking admission in various colleges, because it provides you an recognition that you are part of International Model United Nations conference. Okay, in abroad also you can attach their certificate with resumes, and it would help. It will help very, means very helpful. Okay, it's very helpful. You also get the internship program and internship certificate. Let me choose the color. Okay, You will get the 5 weeks work from home internship, official internship certificates, same letter of recommendation also. Okay, you get the experience to become a campus ambassador, and you get the internship program also for the campus ambassador. Okay, so it means highly recommended to you all. If you're watching the video, you should register yourself for the I am human. Okay, international moon. See, it's various, you can see United Nation model, United Nation education, UNESCO, UNDP, United Nation development program. So I think I'm on the end of the page, and let me tell you many more things about it. Let me stop share. So wait a minute. Okay, wait. See, where? Let me just open it. You can see here, I have also joined the session one, means United Nations Conference 69. So you get to know everything in the conference. Okay, it will be told and explained to you in the training series of the International Model United Nations. Now let me show you another. See, means all over the world. UNICEF Brazil, UNICEF UNICEF One Israel, means various committees, various people from all over the world and their allocated country. I'm explaining in the brief, but let me show you these images. See, UNW Uruguay, UN Women Indonesia, UNESCO Mexico, UN Women Bulgaria. Means all over the world you are able to see this. Now let me close and open, go back to the. So, so let me tell you that what are the rules? What are you going to abide with the International Modern United Nations? So basically, first you will be allowed to register yourself via www. Okay, let me add the text. Okay, www. Sorry for the lagging. www.international internationalmoon.org. Okay, internationalmoon.org. Internationalmoon.org. So you will first register yourself via this site www.internationalmoon.org, and after that you will get the mail. Let me check what is the first mail. Okay, yeah. First, you get the mail of the payment receipt. Okay, your payment receipt. Yes. After that, within 24 hours, you get another mail for the WhatsApp link you have to join. Okay. For the WhatsApp link, you have to be join. And if you have already preferred your country and committee preferences while registration only, then you will directly get email of means joining the means WhatsApp link. But if you have not done the preferences, you will get an email after the payment receipt to apply your preferences for the country and the committee you want. Okay, and let me check you. I will will tell you what are the different committees. Hmm. Yes, there are altogether 10 committees. Okay, 10 committees. First committee is UNHCR. Okay, first committee is UNHCR. Okay, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. Okay, and the topic change means the topic for the committee change means time to time. Now this time its topic is improving employment opportunities for refugees. Okay, second topic. Second topic is Shoksham. You can say them. Okay, second topic is Stockholm. Social, Humanitarian, and Cultural Committee. So this time nowadays, from the previous conferences, from 2 to 3 conferences, the topics running is stigmatization of HIV/AIDS victims. Okay, so this is the second. Third is your UNSRC. UNHRC. First one is UNHCR, and the third one is UNHRC. United Nations Human Rights Councils. So nowadays, it's means various topics are going on, so it changes. So I think the topics need not to be tell, but just for giving you idea, I can tell what the topic is for 71 conference. The Uyghur repression in Xinjiang, China. Okay, the Uyghur repression in Xinjiang, China. No. UNGP. Okay, UNGP. UNDP is United Nations International Child's. You can say it is your fourth topic is committee is United Nations Development Program. So the topic for this session is clean water and sanitization for good health maintenance. Now your fifth committee is UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF. And the topic for this committee is basic saving the children's and from 2 to 3 conferences. This committee is also in continuous run, putting an end to child pregnancy, child marriage, and child pregnancies. Okay, after that FAO, you all already know their full forms. Food and Agricultural Organization, Countering Global Hunger and Obesity. The topic is Countering Global Hunger and Obesity. Seventh is UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO. And for this, ensuring quality education and increasing accessibility to e-learning for children. Now, the eighth topic is UN Women, United Nations Women, and ensuring gender equality by alleviating discrimination against women is a topic for the session committee and the conference 21. Next is ninth is WHO, World Health Organization, maintain mental health action plan promoting care and treatment is also running from 2 to 3 conference. And tenth one is you can say World Health Organization Bahasa, WHO in Bahasa and Indonesia. Basically, it's for Indonesians and Bahasa. Okay, you can also participate in any of the committee. Indonesia. So these are the topics. So at last also you get any committee reference also. So if you sorry, if you click on this committee that any committee preferences, so you will means get any of the committee. Your group will be dissect. Okay, dissect committee, and then you will be allowed to members of the dissect group will allow you means to choose your committee yourself and the topic you are going to represent. Okay, so you have to at least select 3 committees preference. Okay, 3 committee preference, and out of the seats for each committee. Okay, there are limitations also. On the basis of their preferences, they will allow you the committee. And the country you think that you are from India and you will get a country India, it is not possible. You get different countries. For me, I was assigned with I was assigned Lithuania. Okay, I was the my country allocated the country to me was Lithuania. Okay, from Europe. So I have to represent. So firstly, you have to you will get the study materials also. I have the study materials. Let me show you. I have the study materials. No, it's not actually. So basically, this is what International IMUN offers. And after that, the means the email you get after your committee preferences and all that, you get the email to join your group. Okay, you get the email to join your group also, and your country. Okay, your allocated country, then your study guides. Study guides mean basically you get the solutions, the topic for every means every. Let me- Okay, you get a study. You get study materials, study guides, where you get the briefing about every topic of every committee. Okay, briefing and how you can maintain the position paper, what is draft resolution, what is moderate and moderate caucus. Everything is told in the study guide, and you get means your top committee wise and topic wise briefing also, and the solution at last, and what is the agenda, what is the perspective, what are the solutions, and few questions and the preferences. Okay, and the means Zoom background also. I was allocated with Lithuania, so my Zoom background was of flag of Lithuania, and you can download easily from it. Will all provided, and then you have to join your WhatsApp committee group, and means rules are there also. Okay, the conference will start means at 14 GMT, okay, or 12:30 p.m. in India. So delegates of each committee are recommended to make the position paper, and it's not submission is not mandatory, but it's recommended to submit because you get awards and special recognition on the basis of your means uh, position paper status. So you get to know everything about it. So it's basically a nice platform to enhance yourself, enhance your vocabulary. And the country you got means I got Lithuania. So I have to search on the basis of Lithuania that what are the people of Lithuania, what is the economic status of Lithuania on the provided agenda means provided topic. Means I have selected you means child pregnancy and termination, that what is the condition right now in Lithuania. Okay, what are their views, what are their means, what are their perspectives, means all thing I have to research well and make a position paper or make a script, and I have to speak with the solutions. Okay, so it's really interesting, means it makes you think like the people of the individual country. Okay, it's not that you are of India, so you will just make your India as representative, but it also enhance your research skills by allocating it a different country. Okay, so you will get to know about a country also and its status and their perspective, their thinking ideas also. So this is what all IMUN, International Model United Nation. Okay, you can easily register yourself. It always occur at weekend, and it also conduct means IMUN Olympiads, internship programs. You can easily participate in all that. So if you like it, please like, share, and comment. Thank you for being with me.